So, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am running a 100 plus series of the Python programming language. Whether you guys are preparing for the data science kind of the job role or maybe the AI ML kind of the job role, so these questions are very essential for you guys. Although I completed the six of the questions as well, you can check it in my YouTube channel. The playlist section you can find those of the questions as well. And today is the seventh question of the day. So let's get started. So the question says that find the first non-repeating character in a string. Although this question is a very simple question, so let's jump into this question as well. So what it means, like let us suppose there is one of the word written like as the Swiss name word. Here the output should be given like that, the W word. Why W? Because just observe this word as well. So in the Swiss word, as is repeat the three times. Here the s repeats and here two times s repeats. So total the s is repeat the three times, and W later is only repeat the one time, and I is also repeat the one time. Both the letter repeats the one time. But why it repeats the W? Because the question demands that the find the first non-repeating character. First, in the first case, the only the W comes into the picture, so that is the reason I need to return the W. So let's jump into the coding section as well. So in the coding section, first of all, I am going to write the input function. It will ask from the user like enter your string, whatsoever the string you wanted to write it. According to that, you can write it easily here. Okay, and I need to store this into a variable. I am taking the user input as a variable here, and what I am going to doing is that I need to create a function, and the function name I am taking non repeating character. The function name I am taking, and inside this function the text name argument comes into the picture, and also I need to call this function as well like this, non-repeating character. And inside this function this user input comes into the picture like this, and we need to store this into a variable, the result name variable I am taking. So yes guys, this thing's done, and now let's jump into the function section as well. So what I am going to doing is that I am creating a empty dictionary. Why I am creating an empty dictionary? Because in the dictionary it gives you the functionality like you can store the values as a key value kind of the pairs. Let us suppose in the dictionary you can easily store the values like this. Let's suppose the a comes into the picture, and how many times the a repeats in the given string, maybe the one time or maybe the two times a repeats. And let's suppose the also the b also comes into the picture, and in the b it repeats the one time. So these kind of the values I can easily store in a empty dictionary. So while I will traverse with the help of the for loop within this word, and whenever the sum of the letter if repeats, in this case the s letter is repeat the three times, so I can easily store the s letter here like this, like it can be stored here like this. So whenever I will check like what are the what are the letters in the given, at the last I will check what are the letters in the given dictionary. It's that value is the 1. So it means that a particular letter is repeat only the one time. So according to that I will return that particular character whenever firstly it will encounter in the, maybe there is some of the cases like there is a chances like maybe A repeats, this is also repeats the one time. Let us suppose these all thing is I am supposing. So in this dictionary it is not there. For the assumption I am taking the A, maybe the both of the cases, like the B is also repeats the one time and A is also repeats the one time. So while traversing with the help of the for loop, I will writing the if condition whenever the firstly it will encounter with this. So I will return this later, not and I will not move into the further cases. Understood? So let's jump into the doing that. Okay, so what I'm going to doing is that I will create for the first case the for loop for character in my given text like this. And I will give the if condition. If my character is if my character in my frequency, if my character is already in my given dictionary, so in this case I will increase that particular character by one, like I'm writing like this. Just observe the thing. And this is the character, and plus equals to 1 I am writing. This is exactly same as if you are guys to understand, troubling to understand. So this is exactly same as the like this. These both are the same. So for the understanding purpose I am writing in the comment section as well. And if in the initial of the case my dictionary is empty, so what I am going to doing here is that, so in the initial of the case I need to initialize with the first letter of my given string, this equals to 1. So it will with the help of the for loop it will get that particular letter. So like in the else case what I am going to doing is that, in the else case in the initial of my first step the my character should be stored like this. So these things complete. And now after completing the for loop, my first step, after store each and every letter in this given dictionary, so at the end I need to check what are the non-repeating letters are there in my given dictionary. Non-repeating character. So for this I am also writing like that. For my character in my text, okay, if my frequency of inside the dictionary, what are the those of the letters are what are the letters that value is equals to the 1, like in this dictionary what are the letters comes into the picture that value is equals to the 1. So I will return that particular letter, like return the character like this. Understood? And at the last, if any of the cases maybe there is a chances there is a in my given string there is maybe the chances like a character is not to repeat the one time, maybe two times, three times. So at that case I will return the none value like this. You can also repeat anything here according to your comfort. And I'm repeating the none, so I do not repeat the anything. So yes. So in this driver code section I'm writing the if else condition. Why I'm writing the if else condition? Because whenever my given this thing is true, so only whenever this thing is true, so at that case I need to return that particular character value. So we need to write the if else condition. I'm giving the condition like if my result is not none. If my result is not none, So I need to print like this, like the first non repeating character is like, and here the result comes into the picture. And in the else case, like I'm writing like this, like the there is no any non repeating character present in my given string, like this. So these things completes. Now let's run the code as well, and I'm running this code. So for the understanding purpose, I am writing the above letter, above word. So I'm writing the Swiss. So yes, guys, you can see that my code runs perfectly. It gives me the result like the first non-repeating character is a W. Let's run this code again, and this time we'll take some another kind of the example, like the programming example I'm taking. So in this case, you can see that like the for the first non-repeating character is a P. Let's suppose I am taking some different kind of the example. Maybe suppose the triple A, triple B, and triple C. And okay, sorry for that. And yes. So yes, guys, you can clearly see the in this case there is no any letter that repeats only the one time. Here the each letter is repeat the three times. So that is the reason it gives me the output like this. There is no any non-repeating character present in my given string. Like here I am writing like this, so it prints like this. Understood? So this is the seventh question of this series. Like this is 100 plus series of the Python programming, and this is from my side, guys. And let me know in the comment section as well if any of the alternative way to solve this kind of the question. So you can comment in the comment section as well, and also make sure to hit the like button and keep share this question with your colleagues, with your batchmates, so they can also understand about the things. And thank you so much, guys, to watching this video. And I will bring back with some of the another questions, some of the difficult level of the questions and complex questions as well. And thank you so much, guys, and means a lot. Thank you.